What up now? Good morning. Well, today is the day that we take the Tundra and we get these running boards replaced, taken off. The TRD running boards that came with this truck. We're going to go with the Rough Country e-boards. And I got no problem with these boards. I like them. Well, one little issue. The only issue I have with them is if you see, they start back there pretty wide and they taper in a little bit as they get toward here, and it just doesn't leave my big feet as much room as I would like toward that front part where I normally step. It's a little bit more narrow than I'd like it to be. And just in general, I like the idea of the boards being tucked up under the truck, out of the way, and excited to go ahead and get this done. I'm not going to do it because I'm not going to mess with any wiring. That's not my forte. But we're going to take this over to Total Off-Road and More, give them a go at it, and see what happens. But anyway, we'll see what happens with that. Going to get rid of these TRD boards, probably resell them to somebody. Somebody can use them. And we'll throw these Rough Country boards on and see how it goes. Excited to see what happens. Nice. All right, we're back. We got a little bit of wind noise, but hopefully not too bad. At least it's somewhat sunny out here. You know, the clouds that come in and out. We just can't get a day of full sun. It's kind of crazy. So I'm about 92% happy with the boards. 92%. But let's check it out. Boom. And my drinks. Looking good. They come out pretty quick, go back in pretty quick. Let's check the other side. Toyota sticker. Let's see. Once again, no hesitation. All right, looking good. Rough Country e-boards, well done. Very nice. Now let me get out. I still haven't figured out the cool way to get out of a truck. I just kind of throw my body out. But anyway, there you go. Rough Country e-boards. I like the way they look. I like the functionality. I got to figure out these lights. I had forgotten all about the LED lights because I just had forgotten about it until I saw them down there when I got the truck back. On the front, you don't really need them because you've got this door light that shines on them. But on the back, there is no door light. So at night, it's a little bit dark back here trying to get into the truck. So we'll do an update on what's going on with the LED lights. Like I said, I'd forgotten about them. I didn't think I would need them, but they're there. I mean, they put them on there. Both sides. Same thing on the other side. I don't believe they work. So if anybody's got any ideas, I paid a nice little chunk of change labor for them to do this, so I want it done right and I want it to work right. So other than that, I love them. Love the running board. Like I said, not only do they come down lower, they come out further. You've got that 6-inch platform, nice and big for a dude with big feet like myself. Boom. Big old dogs. Works great. We get those LED lights working, I'll be 100% happy. That's all I got. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I'll keep you in the loop as to what's going on with the LED lights. And on that note, and I'm out. Hey, bonus footage. So I never did tell you guys what happened with the running boards, the electric running boards. So the running boards, we had that problem where the lights, the running boards themselves work great, the lights wouldn't come on when you open the door. So by dumb luck, I ended up finding out what was the problem with the running boards and the lights. So basically one day I open the driver's side, lights don't come on. I go over to the other side to get something out the other side. When I opened the door, the lights came on. When I walked back over to the driver's side, the lights were on. Somehow the wiring had got switched so that the trigger for the lights for the passengers, for the driver's side over here and the back door on this side, would turn on the lights. But for whatever reason, if this door wasn't open, those lights wouldn't come on. Same for over here. But if you open both doors, both sets of lights were on. So that being said, the guys over at Total Off-Road and More had told me, contact Rough Country, and you probably need another module. So I did that, emailed them. They were very responsive, got back to me quickly, sent me a new module, got the module out. No questions asked, really. I just told them what the problem was, and they went ahead and sent me the module. Got it, took it back over to Total Off-Road and More. They put it on, problem fixed, no problem. Total Off-Road and More did charge me for like an hour of labor, which was 120 bucks or something like that, and they said I should contact Rough Country to see if they would reimburse me. I did email Rough Country and asked, would they be able to reimburse me? I didn't think they would, and they did not, because they said, you know, hey, you know, we don't reimburse for how they word it. We don't do reimbursements for professional install, blah blah blah. I get it, no problem. I'm just glad that we got that issue fixed. Everything works great with the electric running boards. Other than that, I have no problems. They've been great. This is a while later. The summer has come and gone now, and I just got lazy with making videos. I've got a lot of video footage, just haven't edited and done videos. But that's what we've got. Basically, the Rough Country e-boards have been fantastic. I still haven't figured out a cool way or a slick way to get out of the vehicle when the boards come out. So sometimes I'll just turn them off and hop out that way, turn it back on for when I get in the truck. Works better for me because I still look kind of like a fool sliding out of the truck. I'll figure out something. Anyway, that's all I got. Thank you very much for watching this video. Give me a comment. Let me know what you think about the Rough Country e-boards. Just real quick, I did get the Rough Country ones because they had the 3 support posts. I'm a big dude. I wanted to make sure these wouldn't bend or bow or anything like that. And so that's worked out. Been great. If you'd like to leave a comment or a like, that'd be cool. And you know, if you want to subscribe, that'd be great too. Promise I'll get a little bit better. I got plenty of videos to do. There's a lot of things coming up, including the 4Runners. I'm very anxious to see what these new 4Runners look like. The 2025 Tundras, 2025 Tacomas, see what's going on with them. Like to see some more Land Cruisers and everything. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I'm out.